Okay, so I'm going to show you a shortcut to find LCD after all that work we did yesterday.
Oh, wait, is this new notes? What is it?
Yeah, new notes. Okay, the reason why I'm showing you the shortcut after yesterday's whole lesson is because when you take shortcut, what happens? You what? No, I mean no. No, you don't really understand what's going on. You just kind of blindly do it without understanding what an LCD is, really. You know what I mean? But I want you to not be doing that anymore, because, as we learn more stuff, if you just too many shortcuts, then you're getting confused because you don't know why you're doing it. There's no way for you to go back and think about, oh, do I do it this or not? So, but this LCD method, I think you've seen this before. So let me show you. This is really nice. So let's do the first one. Let's say that I have 1/8 and 1/12 to find LCD. Last time we, did a factor tree for both and so forth. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna write 8 and 12 here, and then you draw the upside down fraction symbol. You know what I mean? Haven't we seen this before? When did we see this? Oh, division symbol. When have we seen this before? Yeah. Yeah, when we were doing GCF. So it's the same exact step as GCF. What do we do when we're looking for GCF? We look for common factor for 8 and 12. Does anybody see a common factor for 8 and 12? Yeah. 4. Okay, what if I didn't see 4? What if I only saw 2 because they were both even? Would it still work? Yeah, so yeah, it would still work. So I write 2, and then you write, how many times is 2 going to 8? 4. What about 12? 3. I mean 6. Who says 3? Okay, then 10. Okay, then 4 and 6, you see? Yeah, 4 and 6, Shirok. What goes into 4 and 6? 2 again. You see, if you didn't see that as 4, it becomes 4 anyway. So you get 2 and then 3. Now, does anything go into 2 and 3 other than 1? No, then you just stop. And guess what? Guys, remember from last time, this was your what? GCF, right? 2 times 2, which is what? 4. See? Okay, now, to find the LCD, what letter does L start with? L. So look at this L. Letter, I said that. You see that L? Guess what? If you multiply that whole L, you get the LCD. That's the shortcut. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. What's that, guys? 8 times 3, which is? You see?
Wait. You did this on your own?
No. I wish I had. No. This is pretty well known, by the way. Mr. O actually teaches it this way, too. So
Mr. Wash.
yeah. Was that nice?
What if you have like 12 and 37?
Right. If you have 12 and 37, you could do that too. Same way. Same way it works.
But what's the common factor?
Yeah, 12 and 37. If there isn't any common factor, then your LCD is you just multiply those two numbers. That's it. That's a good question. Hey, Chirag says, what if I have two numbers that they do not have any common factor? Well, then the LCD is just product of those two numbers. That's it. Does that make sense? Yeah, it doesn't make L anymore. But it's kind of obvious. If there isn't any common factor, then. Okay, so could we do the same thing for Could we do the same thing for the denominators that are not just numbers? Could we have some variables in them and so forth? Would it work the same way? Yeah, it will. Okay. All right, so let's look at, we do the same thing now. We write 12, a squared b, 18, b squared. By the way, leave some space in the middle between these two. Okay, then we look for a common factor for both of these denominators. Anybody see what the common factors might be? Yeah, Laura? 6b. Oh, you see that already? Okay, good. 6b. Then what do I need to multiply 6b so that I get 12a squared b? In other words, how many times does 6b go into 12a squared b? How much? 2a squared is correct. What about the other one? 3b. Are we good? Is there any common factor for 2a squared and 3b? No. Okay, so guess what your GCF is? See, by this method, you could actually find both of them, GCF and LCD. GCF is just 6b, right? What about your LCD? Again, L, remember L is your, right? So this is your GCF. Yeah, it makes the letter L. See this letter right here, L. Okay, if I were to multiply the whole thing there, then I get 6b times 2a squared times 3b. What's that, guys? 36a squared b squared. There it is, okay? How many people like this method better than last method from last time? Okay, yeah, you could use. See, now you have two tools to use. Okay, right? If you're not so sure, you could even check, right? So there you go. Any question? Yes. GCF is 6p, the one that, yeah, 6p right here. It's whatever that's on the left side of these upside down cake. People call it, you know, you multiply those are GCF. Okay, are we good?